This is Village Auto's 2008 GMC Yukon SLE 4-wheel drive. Absolutely pristine two-owner vehicle. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. You have the rear park assist sensors, tow package, rear wiper, rear defrost, alloy wheels with 4 brand new Goodyear tires, privacy glass. Very, very sharp, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $9,750. Let's get inside here for you. This has a cloth interior, exceptionally clean, as you can see. You have a third-row seat in this 8-passenger SUV. Rear heat and AC controls. You do have full power options, power driver's side seat, power passenger seat, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, dual automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls, along with cruise, tow haul mode, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature, OnStar. Altogether, absolutely gorgeous SUV that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2008 GMC Yukon SLE 4-wheel drive home with you today.